Welcome to Group 4 Field Observation video, where we will be sharing our experiences while informatively elaborating on the features found in the low coastal area. First, we will have Ms. Alia Hamid. She will be elaborating on the main economic activities done in the low coastal.
Hello everyone. As you can see, behind me there are the rice fields. Now rice cultivation, this is one of the main economic activities done on this region, region number 3, which is located in the low coastal plain. Now rice cultivation is done on a large scale. Why? Because on the low coastal plain, we have fertile soil. To conclude, not only rice cultivation is being done on the low coastal plain. The low coastal plain have highly fertile soil. So we have sugarcane cultivation being done. We have provisions such as edo, cassava, and so much more to add. Also, on the low coastal plain, we have poultry production being done, cattle rearing, and the list continues. So the low coastal plain have a lot of economic activity going on. So basically this is some of the economic activity being done on the low coastal plain. Coconuts, we have coconut being grown. We have some lovely soursop trees. And of course we have the trench where fishing is being taken place.
Next up, we have Ms. Bruce Cummins. She will be elaborating on the business activity done in the low coastal plain.
Hi guys, my name is Ms. Bruce Cummins. As a continuing forward, my colleague Ms. Aria left off. On the low coastal plain, as we all know, it is the most populated natural region, and there is a lot of economic activities that is being done on the low coastal plain. We have businesses, both private and public sectors, and if you're coming from the feeding hoops telling, you can find the bank, which is the Republic Bank. If you're looking to do saving or open a new account, we have that. We have the KFC if you're looking to have a quick buy. And coming now, we have taps and tiles if you're looking to do renovation on your homes. We also have, where I am standing, the Massive mini store, where you can find a variety of groceries. They have everything.
Next up, we will have Ms. Kayla Luke. She will be telling us about the mangrove tree.
Hello everyone, my name is Ms. Kayla Luke, and today I will be telling you about mangrove tree. Now, mangrove tree is mostly found along the Atlantic coastline. Why? Because it helps to stabilize the shoreline and support marine lifestyle. It helps to protect the coast from erosion, from storm surges, and rising sea levels. Now, here are some key notes about mangrove tree. Number 1, it offers coastal protection to prevent erosion by acting as a natural barrier against flooding. Number 2, mangrove tree helps to provide habitat for fishes, crabs, bird, and other wildlife. So it do play a very great role in the ecosystem. Thirdly, it helps to reduce climate change by observing carbon dioxide in the roots of the mangrove tree. And lastly, it helps to support livelihood for people by supporting fishing communities and ecotourism. As you do know, we do eat fish in Guyana, so it is very important for the fish that we're eating to not get rank. You understand? Now, here are some threats that can affect the mangrove tree. First, mangrove tree can be affected through deforestation because of agriculture and developmental project. So whenever the government wants to do something new in the economy, normally he will cut down the trees because he wants more space. Well, it is very important for us to keep these mangrove trees because these mangrove tree helps to protect our land. Number two, pollution from human activities. People tend to litter all the time, and we need to stop it because our mangrove tree is being affected, and the animals that normally habitate there can be affected also, and we do not want that. Lastly, climate change. For example, rising sea levels. When we have flood, it can affect the mangrove tree. However, we should protect our mangrove tree. Thank you.
Next up, we will have Miss Jessica Geronimo. She will be telling us about the seawall and the coker.
One of the main features of the low coastal plain is the seawall. It runs along Guyana's coastline, bordering the Atlantic Ocean. A seawall is a strong wall built along the coastline. It protects the land from big waves and strong tides. When the sea tries to push against the shore, the seawall stops it. This helps prevent the land from being washed away. Seawalls are made of strong materials like concrete or rocks. They are built in places where there are lots of people or important buildings. A seawall keeps everything safe from the ocean's power. The coker is also a main feature of the low coastal plain. It is a special gate that helps control water. It's placed at rivers or canal where water flows in and out. When there's too much water, the coker opens to let it out. If the water is too high, the coker keeps it from flooding the land. Cokers are used to stop seawater from coming in and damaging the land. They can also help drain water during a storm. Cokers help balance water flow to keep everything safe and dry. It is a drainage system and also a barrier during high tide.
Today I will be sharing with you guys some activities teachers can engage with your children to learn about the natural region. Number one, teachers can take their children on field trips to allow them to see and observe for themselves what is found on the natural region. Number two, teachers can do map activities, allow children to identify the different regions with the use of material. They can use different color glitters and paste, and just paste to show where these different regions are located on the map, and make sure you have different colors so that they can know, okay, which one is which. Thirdly, teachers can print images of the wildlife and the features of the different natural regions and elaborate on it. Tell children where this is found, what is this for, etc. Now we have explained all the features on the low coastal area. We are reminding you that
Rice cultivation is one of the major economic activities being done on the coastal plain.
As you all know, on the low coastal plain, it is very populated and a lot of economic activity is being done there.
And cokers are part of the Guyana Sea Defense System, since most of the natural region are under sea level.
mangrove tree helps stabilize coastline